dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. After drying, you will notice the change of color of the cartulinas or the construction paper, like this one. Aside from spray, you may also do the rundown of the bleach. You just spray the bleach on construction paper or cartulina and let it go down. If it's dry, you will see the change of colors. Alright, this one, you may now use it as a wallpaper or a gift wrap. Thank you for watching.